Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some elegant crystal decorative jars. And so what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain, and this is from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these cut glass candle holders, and you will need 2 packs of these round Tealight holders. If you cannot find the round Tealight holders, you can use whatever shape they have in stock. Now I'm going to be using both hot glue and tacky glue on this project, but if you'd like to make any of these components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If, however, I decide to use additional items or alternate items, I will have those listed in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started.